This one-of-a-kind farmhouse on 2 private acres is surrounded by natural beauty. Close to wine country, the Charbonneau Golf Club, and the Aurora Airport, it's also just minutes to downtown Portland. It's also ready for your livestock or horses, with a fenced pasture and a large barn that has electricity, water, and stairs to an upper loft. You'll find plenty of room for parking, including an RV, and mature landscaping all around. Head inside and discover open-concept living areas with gorgeous wood floors, a cozy wood stove, and built-ins. Walls of windows and soaring ceilings frame the dining area and kitchen, complete with an island, walk-in pantry, and tons of storage. You'll find a huge main floor master bedroom with a spacious private bath, linen closet, and room for anything extra. Sliding doors open to the private courtyard with a patio. The sunken family room has plenty of space for entertaining. This home of more than 4,000 square feet also has an office with built-ins. And 3 more large bedrooms on this main level. A spiral staircase leads to a 19 by 12-foot loft. And another staircase leads to a private bonus room. The large covered deck overlooks the year-round Pudding River wetlands, and you'll find a garden shop with built-in workbenches. Living here, you're always close to nature and can enjoy friendly visits from a variety of wildlife, yet also enjoy close-in convenience. The best in country living. You'll find it all here on Knightsbridge Road in Canby. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.